One of the best ways I enjoy eating beans is by making moi moi. Making moi moi can be very taxful, but having a blender can help you get your work easier. So I made this moi moi and I would like to show you how I use my blender to wash the beans. So let's get started.
And if I get pulled over,
I'll be washing with my
I'll
blender.
pretend it's not for me.
So to begin, I'll just get my blender, throw in the beans and pour in a reasonable amount of water. Just water that is good enough to enable the free movement of the beans in your blender. Using the pause button, I'll just have to turn it on and off just like so. And within 5 minutes, I'm done washing the beans. Can you see how the beans is moving freely without crushing it? So this is how you wash your beans using your blender. In 5 minutes, you're done washing the beans. After a few minutes of running this over, this is what we have here, our blended beans. So it's time to wash it. More tedious work. Blended so well. So it's just blended so well. So I just run my finger through and rinse this a couple of times, like rinse it to get rid of the shaft. So I'm just trying to run my fingers through. Just comes out all clean. So after some minutes of washing and rinsing, this is what I have here. My beans is neatly washed. So of course it's ready for blending. So I'm going in with my onions and some ginger, of course. I have my red bell peppers and scotch bonnet. All will be going in for grinding. Yes, you probably say that's a lot of pepper, but I do a lot of pepper. So that's for me and that's how I want it. So let's go get it blended. So I had to blend this off camera because of the light instability we have in this part of Africa that I live. So this is the blended part of the beans. So I'll just go in with my seasonings, my salt, curry, crayfish, just enough salt, vegetable oil, give it a stir, add in some oil. I will be listing the ingredients in the description box, so if you care to check. Then I would go in with some hot water and give it a stir, just like so, to mix everything together. I'll be adding in my hot water. Yeah, add some boiled water to it. And just give that a quick stir. Yeah, not too thin, but this is just the texture I want for this moi moi. So set that aside. And just introduce some of this salt to the pot. Adding this leaf that is bad. The leaf is very bad, so I'm adding it down to the pot, the base of the pot. Yeah. So sits properly. Adds as a base to the pot. To do so, add boiling water to the base. So now is to wrap. I'm not really 100% in wrapping this, but I think I'll do better next time. So, but this is just me trying to wrap the moi moi leaf and getting it ready to be cooked. So I do this. So I'll go again like so, secure the base, and that's your opening. Yeah, let's try that again. Border leaves about 3, fold it round, make it firm, secure the base, openings, and you have your filling. So that's it, guys, just like so, and you've secured your moi moi leaf for your beans pudding. So you don't need to fill the brim, you just add a reasonable amount. Broader leaves actually accommodates more scoops, but the leaves I used here are not all that broad, hence I used 3, but just add a reasonable quantity that won't allow leakage. So you secure the up and carefully place them into the pots for the cooking process. I already added water before placing these moi moi leaves. So this is what it took me to make this moi moi for my family, and I enjoyed the making process. Would you like to try it? So with the help of my blender, I was able to make this in less than 45 minutes. Oh, look at how delicious and sumptuous that moi moi is. Tell me, what different thing did you add to your moi moi to elevate the taste? So this is just how I make my moi moi at home. Would you love to try my recipe? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.